All right, folks, here it is, math lesson number 4. Here are the Green Book questions, so you know exactly what it is they are looking for. All right. If you have a blue book, remember the questions are pretty much the same thing, just with different numbers, so it'll help you out. Okay, just a reminder, this dotted line, anything above the dotted line is them explaining what's going to happen, so it's just giving you some more lessons. If you watched my other lesson, you don't have to worry about what's going on up here. Okay, question number 1 says, write, make sure, oh, maybe we can zoom in a little bit more on that. Okay, write a mixed fraction and, keyword and, you're going to have to do 2 things, a decimal for the base 10 models below. So they've drawn 1 full cake, and then 2 10 sticks and 1 of a cake, right? So we've got 10, 21 pieces of a cake. Okay, top box, you're going to write your mixed fraction. So remember, that's the one that has a whole number and then a fraction number beside it. And then in the second box, you're going to write the decimal that also matches the amount of picture in here. Okay, so for each one, there's a mixed fraction and a decimal. Okay, mixed fraction and a decimal. Mixed fraction, decimal, mixed fraction. You get the point. Question number 2, draw a base 10 model for the following decimals. Okay, so they've given you the decimal, and you're going to draw the base 10 picture. Don't fill in all 100 squares on your piece of cake. Remember, just draw the boxes, sticks, and dots. Okay, number 3, write a decimal and a mixed fraction for each of the pictures below. Once again, they want you to do 2 things. So, top box, mixed fraction, bottom box, decimal. Question number 4, write a decimal for each of the mixed fractions below. Alright, so they're not giving you the happy little pictures this time, just the mixed fraction. You're going to turn it into a decimal beside it. Right? So the big number part of the mixed fraction is what's going to go to the left of the decimal point. The little number at the top of the fraction, that's what's going to go to the right of the decimal point. Watch, 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 watch. If you have 7 100ths, or 1 100th, or 6 100ths, or 3 100ths, anytime you have less than 10 100ths, you're going to need your good buddy, Zero the Hero. So make sure that 7 goes in the hundreds column, right? Oh, sorry, the hundredths column, right? So this one over here. So you're going to need Zero the Hero in the tenths column, okay? So we can put in this case, the 7 would go in the hundredths column. Okay, now number 5, it's got a little picture of the math book, but you can squeeze it in down here or write it on a piece of paper, whichever works best. Which decimal represents a greater number? So greater again means bigger. Explain your answer with a picture. Explain your answer with a picture. So 3 tenths or 3 hundredths. Which one of those is a bigger number? Okay, think about them in terms of our base 10 stuff. Okay, think about which the tenths are, and if you forget, it's up at the top here, right? Tenths and hundredths. Then we've got 0.7 or 0.07, 1.08 or 1.80. Okay, so again, you can use a picture to help you with each of those. All right, and again, any questions, just email me and we can set up a Skype or a Zoom meeting. Okay, happy mathing!